Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A farmer wants to tie his horse with a rope so that it can graze the grass in an area of 108 meters square. The length of the rope should be dash meters. We are given that we should assume pi equal to 3 for this question. It's 3.14, so they have given rounded off value as pi equal to 3. Now we know that when this horse will be tied with rope over here, let's see, over here, the area that it can graze is going to be a circle. It's going to be a circle. Now this area is given as 108 meters square. Right? This area is given as 108 meters square. So area of the circle where horse can graze is given as 108 meters square. We also know that area of circle is calculated as pi r square. So we can equate these two. 108 equal to pi r square, where r is radius, that is length of rope, length of the rope. So let's see, pi they have given as 3, so 108 equal to 3 into r square. So r square equal to 108 by 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So we have r square equal to 36. So taking square root, we get r equal to 6 meters. Since area is in meter square, we are discarding negative value here because we are talking about length of rope. Therefore we get length of rope equal to 6 meters. This should be the length.